Hello everyone, my name is Uttara Darvi. Today I am going to talk to you about water analysis, or we might say why it is important to do water analysis. Water quality testing is important because it identifies contaminant and prevent waterborne disease. Essentially, water quality testing makes sure that water is safe and meet local and international water standard. In this lecture, first we'll see the distribution of water on the Earth's surface. Only 3% of water on the Earth's surface is fresh. Remaining 97% of water reside in ocean. The water which is present in ocean contain high percentage of NaCl. Hence, we can't use this water for different agricultural and domestic purpose. In small amount, we can use this water in industry. Of fresh water, 79% of water reside in glaciers and polar ice cap. 20% of water is underground. Extraction of this water is very difficult as well as costly. And less than 1% of water located in lake and river, which is easily available on the surface of earth. This water which is present on the surface of earth, example water in lake and river, we can't use this water directly for different domestic, agricultural and industrial purpose because it contains different types of impurities. There are three types of impurities present in the water: physical impurities, chemical impurities and biological impurities. Physical impurities means taste, color, odor of the water. Taste of the water is due to the presence of dissolved mineral in the water. Color of the water is due to the presence of metallic impurity in the water. Odor of the water is due to the presence of living organism and dead and decaying matter in the water. This makes water unfit for domestic use. Chemical impurity. Chemical impurity such as acidity of water is because of presence of free carbon dioxide in the water, which react with the water to form carbonic acid. Gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen present in the water, which makes water unfit for industrial use because presence of oxygen causes corrosion related problem in the industry. Minerals, they are responsible for hardness of water. Biological impurity like microorganism, they are abundant in the surface of the water. Their growth takes place at temperature between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Water bodies, example hairworm, roundworms, etc., make the water unfit for domestic purpose because they are harmful to human and fishes. In the presence of this physical, chemical and biological impurity, we can't use this water for any domestic and industrial purpose. Before using this water, we have to find out requirement of domestic and industrial standard. And to meet that requirement, it is important to do water analysis or testing. As water analysis identify contaminant and prevent waterborne disease, and also it makes sure that water is safe and meet domestic, agricultural and industrial water standard. Thank you.